Let's face it, planning events can be overwhelming. Sending invites, selecting venues, negotiating terms with vendors. All of that can make you pull your hair out. That's why we created eVentGuru, a unique event planning platform that enables you to plan and organize any event seamlessly, from baby showers and engagement parties to product launches and holiday parties and weddings. We've got you covered. Here's how it works. Simply register on the platform and let us know what type of event you're planning. We'll help you find the best vendor and venue for your requirements and enable you to request a quote with just a few clicks. From there, you can create your event and any sub-events you need. And when it comes to invitations, eVentGuru has got you covered. You can create beautiful invitation cards in seconds and easily send them to your guests. And with our tracking feature, you'll always know who's RSVP'd. The result? Better planning, better organization, better events. Sounds good? Then get your free account before you end up overwhelmed planning your next event.